Added sugar is probably the single worst ingredient in the modern diet. It has been associated with many serious diseases, including obesity, heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. For starters, there is simply nothing good about sugar. It contains no protein, essential fats, vitamins, or minerals. There really is no need for it in the diet. Fortunately, there are many ways to sweeten foods without adding sugar. This video explores 6 healthy alternatives you can use instead. 1. Honey. It contains trace amounts of vitamins and minerals, as well as an abundance of beneficial antioxidants. Eating honey may help raise the levels of antioxidants in your blood. High levels of antioxidants in the blood are linked to a lower risk of disease. In fact, honey has been shown to improve several risk factors for disease. One study found that eating honey for 8 weeks significantly lowered bad LDL cholesterol and blood triglycerides in individuals with diabetes. It also increased good HDL cholesterol. However, in the same study, a marker of blood sugar levels called HbA1c increased, which is not good. 2. Maple syrup. Maple syrup is a thick, sugary liquid that is made by cooking down the sap of maple trees. It contains a decent amount of minerals, including calcium, potassium, iron, zinc, and manganese. It also contains at least 24 different types of antioxidants. 3. Molasses. Molasses is a sweet brown liquid with a thick, syrup-like consistency. It's made from boiling down sugarcane or sugar beet juice. It contains a handful of vitamins and minerals, as well as several antioxidants. In fact, blackstrap molasses is higher in antioxidants than both honey and maple syrup. Furthermore, its high potassium and calcium content may benefit bone and heart health. 4. Coconut sugar. Coconut sugar is extracted from the sap of the coconut palm. It contains a few nutrients, including iron, zinc, calcium, and potassium, as well as antioxidants. It also has a lower glycemic index than sugar, which may be partly due to its inulin content. Inulin is a type of fiber that has been shown to slow glucose absorption. Nevertheless, coconut sugar is still very high in calories, containing the same number of calories per serving as regular sugar. At the end of the day, coconut sugar is very similar to regular table sugar and should be used sparingly. 5. Stevia. Stevia is a natural sweetener that's extracted from the leaves of a South American shrub known scientifically as Stevia rhabodiana. Stevia is 100% natural, contains 0 calories, and has no known adverse health effects. It has been shown to lower blood sugar and blood pressure levels. 6. Yacon syrup. Yacon syrup is extracted from the yacon plant, which is native to South America and known scientifically as Smalanthus sonchifolius. It tastes sweet, is dark in color, and has a thick consistency similar to molasses. It has recently gained popularity as a weight loss supplement after being featured on the Dr. Oz show. Yacon syrup is generally considered safe, but eating large amounts of it may lead to excess gas, diarrhea, or general digestive discomfort.